Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ritu and I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion and hauls. In case you want to stick around, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button and be a part of Beauty Squad. And guys, in today's video, I am going to be sharing my hair wash routine with you all. Now I was looking forward to share these amazing products with you all. Now I'll tell you, I was just scrolling across Facebook and I found out this brand called Bare Anatomy, and the packaging was so aesthetic and so amazing that I thought, why not get my hands on this. I immediately ordered the set of these products from Nykaa. I got them and it has been 3 weeks now guys since I'm using it. The results were marvelous. I used this range called damage repair. Now it consists of a shampoo, there is going to be a hair mask and also a serum. Now we are in the middle of winters guys, and I usually around this time my hair gets really brittle, dry, and they fall a lot. So for those reasons guys, I have this amazing range. I reaped some amazing benefits, and believe me, when you use it, when you come out of shower, I let my hair air dry and I see them getting beautiful, silky, smoother, and so much manageable. It feels like I just came out of a salon. These are that good. So without further ado guys, we are quickly gonna be diving in. Now first of all, I use this damage repair shampoo. Now this one is gonna be the Bare Anatomy damage repair shampoo, and I got this for around 550 rupees if I'm not wrong. I'll make sure that I give the products links in the description box below. So what it does is it helps in repairing the damage that you have in your hair. It helps in strengthening your hair follicle and also make your hair more manageable and shinier. Now if your hair are extremely dry, you might have seen getting yourself some split ends and hair get really brittle, especially on the lengths of hair. So this one helps in strengthening your hair. It forms a protective layer. It consists of ceramides guys. These days ceramides are really popular, which also helps in making your hair cuticle more stronger and shinier. Now I'll tell you how I use it. I take a bit on my damp scalp, I apply it all over, and there are times I go for a shampoo comb or a massager guys, but usually I'm just good with my fingers, and I keep doing it till the time I feel like my scalp is clean, and then I rinse it out. And you must make sure that you do not apply the shampoo on the lengths of your hair. You just need to apply the shampoo in the scalp and you're going to be good to go. I rinse it out, and usually because we are in the middle of the winters guys, make sure that you're not using extremely hot water on the hair. It can be more damaging of course, so just lukewarm water, cold water is going to be good. If you're someone who can go with the cold water in the winters, it is going to be excellent for your hair, but I personally prefer using lukewarm water. Now guys, we are going to be moving on to the mask, and this one is going to be Bare Anatomy damage repair hair mask. Now it says that it helps in strengthening your hair up to 3 times. Now I'll tell you, when you have brittle and dry hair, they tend to fall. Now there might be various reasons why your hair fall, but this can be the one, and I believe that my hair were falling because of these reasons, because they are not falling anymore. So whenever I used to be in the shower guys, I could see my dull and very brittle hair, but not anymore. This mask helps in strengthening them up. I will tell you how I use it. This one also consists of coconut milk protein guys, and this one also has ceramides, which helps in strengthening your hair cuticle and also helps in providing more manageable, silkier and beautiful hair. Believe me when I tell you, I feel like that I have just come out of salon. It gives me these beautiful, silkier and smoother hair. And yes, they have this very mild and a beautiful kind of a fragrance which lingers in your hair throughout the day. I usually wash my hair. I keep a gap of 3 to 4 days, so it is just there, and I absolutely love it. So I'll tell you how I use it. So once I get done with the shampoo, I rinse out the extra water from the hair, and I take a scoop out, apply it on the lengths of my hair, and I usually leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, not 10 minutes guys, exactly like 5 to 7 minutes, and then maybe I listen to music, or there are times I just listen to some audio tapes or something of that sort. And then when I feel like all the good things got absorbed in my hair, and then I can finally rinse it out. Again, I use lukewarm to cold water to rinse it out, and voila, my hair wash is almost done. Just the last step. I take out the excess water guys, and the last step is just gonna be the serum. Now the serum from this range again helps in strengthening up your hair. It helps in adding a beautiful shine and also helps in keeping the frizz at bay. So again, it helps in repairing the hair damage. It comes in this very beautiful packaging. I love how minimalist the packaging is, and the color beautiful. I absolutely love it. Now this serum consists of coconut milk protein again, and it also has ceramides, which helps in strengthening up your hair. And when you have healthy and stronger hair, guys, believe me, they're gonna look marvelous. So you are not gonna be having any brittle, dull and damaged hair anymore if you get your hands on this range. Believe me, you're not gonna be disappointed at all. And I'll tell you how to use this serum. You just need to take a bit on the palm, spread it evenly on the palm, and then keep applying it just on the lengths of your hair. There are times I apply it like on the crown because I want to tame down the frizz. If you have very frizzy hair and if you want to tame it down, believe me, the serum is gonna work equally well for you. It just helps in adding more shine to the hair, make them more glossier, silkier and smoother. So yes guys, these were all the products that I wanted to talk about. I was super impressed with this range. It is very affordable and still you get like salon like smooth, manageable, beautiful hair sitting at home. So yes, with that we are going to be wrapping up today's video. If you have any queries, you can let me know in the comments down below. And also the best part about this range is guys, they are vegan, they are free from parabens, silicone, mineral oils or something which might cause damage to your hair and your health. So you do not have to worry about your safety at all. So yeah, I'm done with all and I'll see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.